Welcome back everyone. Your Xbox Series X or S controller may actually not be working. Now there's a couple different ways to go ahead and fix this. Now the very first thing I would recommend looking at is actually making sure that your Xbox Series X or S controller is actually charged up fully. Now there's a couple reasons why you may not be able to go ahead and charge it up fully. So you may want to go ahead and plug it in straight into the Xbox, Series X or S in and of itself and see if it charges that way. So remember, this specific controller uses that USB Type-C port. So if you don't have a specific USB Type-C port, well, you may be out of luck. So your best specific thing to do right now is to plug in your USB Type-C port to that USB Type-C cord and see if that fixes the problem. To be honest, most of the time, the problem may actually end up fixing itself, and you may not even have to do anything, to be completely honest. So in this specific situation, you should be good to go, and you may not have to do anything else. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work or the controller still isn't charging, you want to go ahead and make sure that that specific charging cord you're using is even, actually useful. Because if it's not charging up, that may not be a problem with the controller, it may be a problem with the cord. So what you can do is you can go ahead and grab another cord. They're really easy to get. I'm sure everyone has like 5 in their house. And you want to go ahead and test out another USB Type-C cord. You not only can charge it via the Xbox, but you can also charge it via, another USB Type-C device, like a MacBook or a Dell PC if you have USB Type-C on it, but also with a USB Type-C charging cord that's plugged in with the AC adapter to the wall. So that's another option you have. You have a couple different ways you can go ahead and actually charge up this device, and that's probably what I would recommend doing, is to try a couple different ways to go ahead and charge up your specific controller, and you should be good to go. Again, it's not a guarantee, but most of the time this may actually end up fixing the situation, and you really don't have to do anything else. The problems will almost fix itself, to be honest. So that pretty much covers it up. Those are a couple different ways to fix it. Now, if for some reason none of these things fix it, you may want to go ahead and check the charging port of your Xbox controller. Because if for some reason there is a bunch of dust, debris, and just gunk stuck within that controller, well, like I mentioned, there's really not much you can do. You're going to have to go ahead and actually, clean out that specific port in order to fix this specific problem. So again, the best thing to do in this specific case is to grab, a toothpick or a light, kind of abrasive thing that you can go and kind of pry the inside of it out. And you want to go ahead and do exactly like I said. You want to take out as much dust as you can from that specific controller port. And most of the time, like I mentioned, this should fix the problem right now. Now, for some reason, it's still not working. The controller may actually end up being faulty, so you may want to go ahead and contact Microsoft support or Xbox support and actually see if they can fix the problem, because the majority of the times it should end up fixing it by now, and you should be good to go for the most part. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.